Hello, welcome to S.I.P English. I'm Amanda, and today we are going to be talking about phrases that all have the word cook in them. So get ready and let's learn a little sip of English together. If you were cooking dinner and I came into the kitchen and asked, "What's cooking?" you would probably tell me what you were cooking for dinner, and that would be the correct response. But as a slang, we use "what's cookin'" or "what's cooking" as a greeting, a way of saying, "How are you?" or "What have you been up to?" So here we have Skinny and Lena in the grocery store. Skinny has just seen Lena and he says, "Hey Lena, what's cookin'?" And Lena responds, "Not much, Skinny. How are you?" Too many cooks in the kitchen is an idiom meaning there are too many people working on one thing for it to be productive or to get a positive outcome. If we look at this literally, you can get an idea of what the idiom means. So here we have a lot of cooks in a kitchen. They can't even move, let alone cook. There are definitely too many cooks in this kitchen. Here's an example on how to use this idiom. There are 5 students in this science project group. They're always arguing about how to do the experiment and nothing ever gets done. There are way too many cooks in the kitchen. Cook up is our phrasal verb. If we look at the words cook and up individually, it could look something like this. Skinny is cooking something up on the counter. We often use the phrasal verb cook up to replace the word cook in a sentence. So I could ask, "Are you hungry? If so, I could cook something up for you," instead of just saying I could cook something for you. But cook up also means to create or invent a story, a plan, or an excuse. So here, Mr. Stickley says, "Hello, Skinny. Do you have a plan for the Johnson project?" And Skinny says, "Not yet, but I can cook something up." So Skinny is going to create a plan for the Johnson project. We often use this phrasal verb when talking about deceiving or tricking someone. So imagine 2 children cooking up a story to tell their mother about how her favorite lamp got broken. Do you think it'll work? Have you ever cooked up a story to tell your parents? I have. Now it's time for a short quiz to see what you remember from today's episode. When would you use the idiom, "too many cooks in the kitchen"? A. When talking about a project that has too many people working on it. B. When talking about baking a cake. C. When greeting a friend in the supermarket. A. When talking about a project that has too many people working on it. As a slang term, "what's cookin'" means A. What are you making for lunch? B. What is that smell? C. What have you been doing? C. What have you been doing? Cook up can be used to talk about both cooking something and creating a plan. A. True. B. False. A. True. Did you get all the answers right? I hope you did. Let me know in the comments below. Also, I want to hear some of your sentences using the phrases from this week's episode. As usual, you can visit my blog for bonus material. Well, it's time for me to go cook up a plan for next week's episode. Bye.